massive knocking sound coming from the back. The engine, it had broken. Fucking car's on fire. No warning lights, engine lights gone off. I'm here, guys. It's pouring down with rain, and guess what? I'm in my Lamborghini Huracan Performante. I think I've just blown my engine after 200 miles. Well, we don't know what's happened yet. I was driving down, and I've come to a set of traffic lights, and I've slowed down for the traffic lights, and yeah, the car started, I would say, hesitating, stroke, like making a rattling sound. So before I could think of anything, by my window, it was open, the day was clear, the sun was out. I saw smoke everywhere. Like literally, it was like a fog machine, smoke everywhere. I thought, damn, the car's on fire. So I quickly switched the car off, and as I'm doing that, I leaned down and I opened the front bonnet, the front hood, because I knew there's a fire extinguisher in there, and I ran out the car, looked at the back, and because I turned the car off, the smoke calmed down, and you know, I thought maybe I've got a leak or some lines come off, something's loose. I don't really know. I was blocking off the highway, so I thought, yeah, you know, it's good. I haven't set the car on fire, so yeah, we're good. Jump back in. I knew we've got an issue though, so but I had to fire the car back up to get it off the main highway because it was literally in the middle. I was stopped in traffic and I couldn't keep the car where it was. I fired the car up. It started up. Right, it wasn't happy at all. Was making loads of noises. So I literally just pulled half a meter, 1 meter to my left, and I waited there. Yeah, something's gone wrong. I'm waiting for a recovery right now. And yeah, we don't know what's gone wrong. It could be catastrophic. We could have smashed a rod, blown the engine. It could then again just be no, it can't be anything else. We've caused some serious damage. But yeah, let's see what happens. It's raining, it's cold, I'm freezing. Car doesn't drive. I'm not far from my home, but I can't leave the car here on the roadside. Waiting for recovery to turn up. Yeah, my boy Buzzy, he's dropped everything. Yeah, so massive shout out to Buzz as well. But guys, this could be a demise of the Rock and the purple Performante. When I say demise, you know, it's not going to be a priority. I've got loads of other priorities right now that I'm focusing on. But yeah, as always, we share it with you. We share our ups with you when we're going to collect these cars and enjoy them. We're going to share our downs with you as well. Sadly, I've only done about 200 miles in the cars. But hey, this is the nature of the beast. These failures happen. But do you know what? Never give up. Yeah. You've got to take it, right? You've got to take the wins, you've got to take the losses. And I'm hoping it's not a big loss because naturally, you know, it's not a nice thing for me to weather right now. But if it is, it is. Never keep down. I'm blessed anyway, and you know, I've got Buzz's Lambo. Like he's got my GTR. I'll just drive his Huracan. But yeah, keep it locked because we love you all. We don't do this hiding missions. We talk openly about the ups and downs, and yeah, let's see what we can do to turn this around. Might be something simple. It's very unlikely, I must say, but I'm still smiling. It's probably going to be a major issue. I'll either be in the next clip like this, or I'll be like, yeah, it's something minor, but we don't know. Listen, we're going to show you exactly what's happened to Rocky's Perf. Here he comes, got it off the main road, and my boy G has called on his mate Bud Recovery, and we're gonna get the car on a trailer and to GV. There she is, looking all sad. Zoom, oh here we go, focused. Hello mate. Hi. He's the guy that's gonna rescue me.
So Rox, what's this? Oh wait.
The Performante is back. So what a lot of people didn't know is that I had a massive engine failure in the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Didn't know it was an engine failure. It started making some mad loud noises. Sent it to our boys at Pangbourne. Craig, Ryan, Max, all these boys there. They always look after us. Buzz's Lamborghini was bought from there. My Aventador was bought from there.
Hamid's as well.
Hamid's as well, yeah. The Performante is back today. It's being delivered back. It's been away for 4 weeks. And yeah, so now we can start playing about with it. It's got a brand new engine from Lamborghini Italy. Let's get it off the truck.
Yo, why are those catalytic converters there?
Wait, what the fuck are you doing? Turn that off! Oh, these are spare cats that we may need to use in the future. So she's back from Pangbourne, end of April. I was driving down and heard a massive knocking sound coming from the back, from the engine. Confused, didn't know what was going on. A lot of smoke coming out the back, and it turns out that the engine had failed. At that point, I didn't know what was going on. Got the car back to home, wasn't far from home, and called up Lamborghini the next morning. Said this was happened because the car's under warranty. Fairly new car, 2018, so they're under warranty for 4 years, I think, from Lamborghini. I took the car in. I was hoping it's going to be a simple fix, like something that's come loose, something like that, but it wasn't the case. Apparently, the engine had seized. It had broken. Well, it was running at that point when it failed on. When it got to the Lamborghini, they tried it. They said they couldn't turn it, so it seized in between. And they found what I believe, I could be wrong here, I need to speak to the boys there in a lot more detail. I'm just excited to have it back. That a valve had dropped down, hit the piston, and obviously caused a significant failure in cylinder number 7. But now we have a brand new engine, 0 miles, and she's back. So now we're going to play about with her again, have some fun, and then take it to new levels. Watch this space. So happy to be back in a Perf, man. In my Perf. These cars just drive so damn nice, man. First time I've driven it now in like over a month, and I'd forgotten how nice these drive. Everybody needs a Performante. Don't get me wrong, the Aventador was nice. Aventador was a drama. It's an event when you drive that car. This car, it's just like basically an Audi. You can just drive it every day and go through the gears. We are in a private estate, by the way. We're not on a public road, so that's why I haven't got my seatbelt on. I'm going to go back to work now and maybe get my new wheels on it again. Just go round that roundabout and come back. Lowered cars, body kits, not good for speed ramps. Some civilians queuing up some burgers for a bit of lunch. Got to slow down. Honestly, you got to drive a Performante to really understand how nice this car is. It drives a lot different from a normal. It drives a lot different from a normal Huracan as well. It's so much style. And we're done. We have a working Performante again. On to phase 2 now. Let's get some miles on this car, start to enjoy it again, and start rivaling Buzz. Let's put some blowers on, let's get some wheels on, and let's hit the streets again. Check it out, keep it subscribed. We're gonna drop a video very soon of this car, twin turboed, tearing up the tarmac. Rocky and Bosch show, yeah.